guys, I'm Libby Yeh with a new UX snack. This one's kind of like a little snack, like a handful of chips. I mentioned in my last video that was about competitive analysis paralysis regarding using a matrix to capture all the information about the competitors you're doing a deep dive on. This will allow you to do a really easy cross comparison across all of them. The one that I use is courtesy of General Assembly that I have made a couple tweaks to. So now I've done two things. I have completed my user research and I've identified the features that I want to include in my layouts, and I've also narrowed down my competitors that I want to do deep dives on. So now I can look for those specific features in my identified competitors. So let's take a look at my matrix. And voila! As you can see here, I have my key features on the left side, and then I include details for each competitor and my client. One thing to note, you should try to keep your opinion of the layouts, of the competitor's features, etc. from the matrix. Keep it factual, location, and detail-based. This will allow you to better approach your design from a need-based perspective. Okay, that's all. It's really more of a snacklet, and if you really are digging the matrix that I used, feel free to contact me using my information that's below. So as I mentioned in the last video, we are going to get into the design of the redesign in the next couple videos. So stay tuned.